Okay, testing more of these pencil clips. This is the same Pro PLA. Try and break it, but this one's a little bit different. I ended up doing iron every solid layer to see if I could increase the strength, and it is way stronger. But besides, it doesn't look the greatest sometimes. If you can see that. Let's try and break it. Okay, it's a lot stronger. Okay, there's that one. And then I did, so when you iron, it takes forever. You can adjust the settings for 0.3 passes, so it's 0.3 millimeter every time it overlaps. So this is 0.3, it's actually only like 36 minutes or so. Let's try this one. Okay. This one is 0.2. Took 40 minutes, I think. These are all 0.3 layer height. Can't tell a difference at all. I mean, I'm just going by feel, nothing super scientific or anything. So now let's look at the we can kind of show that, you know, honestly, inside, I can't really tell a difference. I wanted to see if that looks a lot different than the original one right here. If I can zoom in a little bit more. So this one does not have ironing. You can see the little, where the layers bond. This one does. So it actually does look a little bit different. Looks like it, just on the edges, specifically right here. I mean, it did do a lot better at bonding. Compare it to the other one. Again, this is ironing on. So that actually did a lot better. And we can zoom in even closer, which I don't know if I can. It looks really good. So it takes a lot longer to do, as in the print takes a lot longer to print, but the parts feel a lot stronger. So right now, just trying it out, you know, simple pencil clip, seeing how long it takes to break, but just trying to make it stronger. If anybody else is trying to print small things to get them stronger, try that out. Again, it was the ironing. I enabled ironing and put on all solid layers, and it's not on, I didn't do 100% infill on these. These are still 20% infill. So I don't think I stated that. All of these have been 20% infill, 4 layers. But what happens is all of these layers right here, all of these, because there's no infill on them, these are solid. So it's solid from here all the way over. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching.